What's up, guys? Today's video should be titled Bookmap Tips and a Shitty Entry. But I made money today, not a ton of money. I was able to dig out after, like I said, a shitty first entry. So I want to go over the 4 trades that I took today, talk you through what I saw on Bookmap, talk you through some of the takeaways that I get out of a day like this. First, before we get into anything, I have to promote a video that I think many of you have slept on. I'm going to link this below. This is called How to Earn a Living as a Prop Trader. And with the rules constantly changing, every day a new firm is changing how to get funded, how to get paid out, all that. This video is more important than ever. I want everyone to make sure they go check this out. It's free. There's no reason not to. So when you're done here, scroll down and watch this video for me. Now, if you're in Dallas, I do have space, like 3 or 4 seats left. That's it, to have people come join us for our 2-day boot camp. If you're in Dallas, January 16th and 17th, let me know. I'd love to have you come join us. We're going to sell out. So whoever wants these last 3 or 4 seats, grab them as quick as you can. I'll even give you the early bird pricing. Instead of $749, I'll give you the tickets for $500. That's 2 days, covers your lunch, covers your admission, the whole thing with us. A ton of our Black Shirt Club traders are going to be there. Our sponsors are going to be speaking there. It's going to be an incredible 2-day trading event to start the year. So Dallas, be there. You're only hurting yourself if you don't. Now, today, this is the first trade. So I'm long here at 10:10 in the morning. I'm buying it as it breaks through the New York VWAP. I'm seeing orders on Bookmap above and below me, so I don't really have a bias there. But I see that we're holding the 10 a.m. news candle low. So I'm thinking if that pin low holds and we take the New York VWAP, we may go back out the top of the range for more all-time highs. As you see, I enter the trade mid-candle, which I should not have done. I get stuck at the top of the pin, basically, and I get screwed on the trade. I should have cut it right away once I had a shitty entry, and that would have made my day even more profitable. I would have cut this loser faster. I would have been more profitable today. You'll see why in a second. Now, you can see the subsequent candles don't really close strong above the New York VWAP, and that's really a sign to me that this was not a good position to be in. So again, should have been out of it faster. I end up getting back in here on a much better break of the New York VWAP with a stop at that now low of day. I trade this for that flush back into the equal highs set here at 85, 86. And here we were using Bookmap again on the upside for targets for those 85s, 86. If you look, I've got the whole picture of Bookmap today. We can actually, when you do that, you can see my entries at 1026. So then we can look over here and see at 1026, what were we seeing? Well, from 1030, you can see we made that leg up here, 1015 into 1030. That's where those longs were happening. And you can kind of even see in here those orders on the book that I was trading into. Now, as you can see, the day goes on, they thicken up above us and even below us here later in the day, but we'll come back to that in a second. So second trade, long again, better break in New York VWAP. And again, taking profits at those highs, not being greedy. Trailed the stop very aggressively, tapped out on that one. Profitable. Then I get back in off the New York VWAP, again, working the 80s. Here, 60.80 is the price. Here, 60.80.50 is the price. Here, 60.82. So 60.80 working for me. Buy it again, close it in full at those equal highs. So again, scalping it. And that's the theme of this whole week. I should make a video about my Monday and Tuesday, but I was one and done both days. Very, very tight ranges this week at all-time highs. So it's better to be smaller in position size, in my opinion, defensive, quicker, and that's what's been working for me this week. Like you can see here, this was 6-7 minutes, full out, done. And then one more here this afternoon at 12:45. Again, off New York VWAP here, the price is 60.84. So now I'm working the 84s, trading right back into that equal high. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits on that high. Quick, risk 5 or 6, make 4 or 5. I'm going to take that when I can get a good bounce off New York VWAP. Now, the day played out with Powell speaking, where my exit was great. It ends up pulling all the way down between 1 and 130. Powell comes on and talks the market back up. The market finishes the day near 6,100, which if you look at the original notes here on, which trade was it? The second trade. Could see 6,100 today, but that's far. It says it right here in my original notes. Orders at 85 were the target, but 6,100 was the overall, like there were orders up on the book map there that we could have traded into at some point today. It just took all day to get there. So a really fun day. You know what I mean? These are good days, really good learning lesson for me. Like, don't be aggressive, man. If I can just avoid this, the day is great. Because then it's just like this. Boom, 1, nice. Boom, 2, perfect. And then boom, another one. 3 like that, that's a good day. So it's this trade that screws me. But I'm still up on the day, up on the week, happy with where I'm at. I would recommend you guys check out if you're trading with Top Step. They have some new rules about XFAs and payout caps and how many resets you can have. Make sure you give some time to reading and checking out their new rules. There should be an email going out about that, I think, is what the people on Twitter are saying. But I'll keep you guys updated as best I can too. Right now, I'm really liking trading with Top Step, and I'm really loving trading with Tradeify as well. We just had Brett, the CEO of Tradeify, on the podcast. So make sure you guys go check that out. And then this week on Saturday, I've got Adam from Zimtra coming on the podcast to talk about dark pools and equity prop trading and a whole bunch of stuff, Cayman Islands. It's going to be a good episode. So stay tuned for that. Let me know if you're interested in Dallas. And again, I'm going to link that how to earn a living as a prop trader video down below. So you guys can go check that out now. And if you're subscribed to ASFX TV, I'll see you guys in the morning.